Story 6. Today, the children are at the farm. Hello, children, says Mr. Till the farmer. Do you want to see the animals? Yes, please, say the children. First, the children go to see the sheep. I like sheep, says Melody. Me too, says Star. But Twig says, "Ooh, look over there. Let's go." Melody and Star follow Twig. Wait for me, calls Rocket. Shut the gate, Rocket, says Star. But oh dear, Rocket doesn't shut the gate. Then the children go to see the hens and ducks. I like hens, says Melody. I like ducks, says Star. Quack, 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 quack. But Twig says, "Ooh, look over there. Let's go." Melody and Star follow Twig. Wait for me, calls Rocket. Shut the gate, Rocket, says Star. But oh dear, Rocket doesn't shut the gate. Then the children go to see the cows. I like cows, says Melody. Moo, moo, moo. Me too, says Star. But Twig hears something. What's that noise? Now, the sheep, hens, and ducks are here too. Oh, Rocket, say the children. Uh-oh, sorry, says Rocket. But Star has an idea. Let's put the animals back, says Star. 1, 2, 3, 4 sheep, says Melody. 2, 3, 4, 5 hens, says Rocket. And 1, 2 cows, says Twig. Phew! Quack, 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 quack. Unit 6. Shut the gate. Vocabulary.
Farm. Sheep.
Unit 6. Shut the gate. Vocabulary.
Farm. Sheep. Hens. Ducks. Cows. Horse.
Chant. Open the gate, shut the gate.
The farmer's got a horse. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Open the gate, shut the gate. Neigh, neigh, neigh. The farmer's got a cow. Moo, moo, moo. Open the gate, shut the gate. Moo, moo, moo. The farmer's got a sheep. Baa, baa, baa. Open the gate, shut the gate. Baa, baa, baa. The farmer's got a duck. Quack, quack, quack. Open the gate, shut the gate. Quack, quack, quack. The farmer's got a hen. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Open the gate, shut the gate. Cluck, cluck, cluck.
Sheep. Hen. Cow. Duck. Farmer. We're at the farm. Here's the farmer. Let's go and see the animals. Here are the sheep. How many can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's feed the sheep. Baa, baa. Here are the hens. And here are the chicks. The hen's hungry too. Look, the chicks are running. Look over there. It's the cow. Oh, look. It's a baby. A calf. Moo. Moo. What's that over there? It's a duck. 2 ducks. Quack, quack, quack. What's that? A tractor. It's time for a tractor run. Climb up. Let's go. Bye-bye, children.